Hey guys, well, today taking this motor out of this truck. I've got a 6.0 that I'm going to take out of a GMC Yukon Denali, and a low mileage motor. Put it in this truck, add a little cam to it, and get close to 450 horse, and a little more fuel efficient than this. A little more horsepower than this. Make this truck a blast to drive. But hey, you can check me pull this motor out, and let me know what you think. Throw some comments in the box. Hit subscribe. Check out all the other videos I'm making. Everything I do, I'm recording. So awesome. Got the motor out. We're gonna get this thing moved out of here, and I'm just gonna push under the lift, lift the truck up, and get this thing gone. I got a guy coming over to pick it up, so we'll hit subscribe, check out the LS transplant into this truck, and you can see that in the future, man.